Guys, I'm back, and my lordy, oh snap, oh snap, okay, I gotta close the windows. Oh. Ugh. Where? Where's the hail?
Look at the hail, it's coming.
Apparently we have hail. Where?
We'll go back there and smoke on the cars.
Oh, I see it now.
Yep. See it?
Well, I closed the windows because the water was getting in.
Alright.
Well, look at that, guys.
Oh, look. You hear that?
Yeah, I saw it. We have hail. At least not the size of friggin' tennis balls. What? I already did. I already saw a few. I already saw a few. I don't really want to look at them anymore. I just kind of wanted to make a small little video. So, if this somehow manages to skip YouTube's circulation, I'm going to be kind of pissed. Anyway, moving on. Have a great day, guys.